sidetrack at the south end of town. On a dry, hot, dusty August day, a steam pipe blowing down. Fireman with his long oil can, oiling the old valve gear, waiting on the fast mail train, the semaphore to clear. The engineer in his old high cab, his gold watch in his hand, looking at the water glass and letting down the sand. Rolling out the old main line, taking up the slack. Gone today, so they say, but tomorrow he'll be back. Oh, if I could return to those boyhood days of mine, and the green light on the Southern Railroad line. Rusty rails of the weed-grown branch line. The section house is gray and white by the yard limit sign. A hogger calls the old highball, no more time to wait. Rolling down to Birmingham with the 10-car local freight. Oh, if I could return to those boyhood days of mine, and the green line on the Southern Railroad line. Whistle screams with the hiss of steam, the headlight gleams clear. The drivers roll in the green and gold and getting mine and ear, handing up the orders to the engine crew on time. It's the Alabama Great Southern AGS Railroad line. Oh, if I could return to those boyhood days of mine, and the green line on the Southern